Now, the final thing that we're going to look at is I'm going to show you how do you actually check if a password has a special symbol like an exclamation mark or numbers. Now, the easiest way to do it is that there's a string method called isAlpha, and that returns true only if a string contains letters, which means if you think about it, if it returns false, there's something in your string that's not a letter. So actually, that's probably the easiest one that we can actually employ. And this help guide, that's in the comments. It's on your help for secure right there. So you guys can read through it. Because it also gives you some code snippets as well. So you can see it's your variable, or so your string, dot isAlpha. So I'm just going to copy that isAlpha, and we're going to put it in place in our code. So our final while loop, we're going to check if our password on isAlpha, so that's going to return either true if it's all just normal letters, or false if it's not. So I'm going to keep repeating. So I'm going to use does not equal, which is what that symbol means. So if it does not equal false. So we're going to keep repeating essentially until it does equal true, until they've entered something that is actually a number or a special character. So I'm going to go above. I'm going to nick that print statement again. Must have, so this time it must have a number or special character. And then by default, if you want to give that positive feedback, we can then have that print statement after the while loop, because it won't actually get to this until that while loop is done, and then we can just let them know that it's past the third check. This print statement is kind of an optional one. So that last one, we can test it. So I'm going to enter a password that has a capital, 6 characters, but no symbols. So that was my username. Whoops. It's fine. So same thing. You can see it's passed the first, the second, but it's failed on the third one. So if we re-enter it again, you can see if we enter exclamation mark, it then passes the third check. Now, if you test this program, you are going to hopefully find that logical error that will show you how to fix in the mastering statements.